Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Soft Pico from the Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the right eyebrow. Draw a curved line over to the right like this, angling it slightly upwards. Then add an angled line at the end. Now a swoosh line at the top to close it off. And then color it in black. Next, draw the eye underneath with the curved V shape. Let's draw the other eye now. Draw a similar curve on the left. Then on the end, draw a V shape up and then a curve on top. And then add one more curve down from the top. Next, close off the eyebrow with a curve like this. And then color it in black as well. Next, draw the eye under with a rounded V shape, but this one should be more towards the right side. Now draw a long, slightly curved line on the right for the side of his hood. Let's draw his face mask now. Draw a curved line from the hood over to the left eye. And then continue this line on the other side and curving it downwards. Now add an angled line in. And then a V shape to close off the face mask. Next, draw a thick X inside the mask like this. Let's finish drawing his hood and hair next. From the top of the hood line, draw an angled line in and up. Next, add a bent curve here at the end of the line. Now from the bottom of this line, draw a line down that's in the shape of the number 5. Then close off this section of hair with a line down and then an S-curve to the right to meet the other line. Next, close off the side of the face with 2 angled lines down on the left. Now hop back up and draw an angled line to the right of the hair. And then a curve over to the right. And now a V shape. And then a line down and back into the hood. Let's finish off the hair on the left side now. Draw a small curve here. Then an angled line out. And now a large S-curve down and back into the mask. Let's finish off the hood next. On the right, draw a long curved line. And then curve it in at the bottom, connecting it to the line we drew earlier. Next, hop to the top and draw a small curved line up. Next, move over to the left side and draw an angled line here. And then a large curve across the top to close it off. Next, add some freckles to the face with some small dots on the cheeks like this. Let's start drawing the body next. Draw a curve down on the right. And then a V shape to the left under the face. Now let's draw the left arm and hand. Draw a diagonal line down on the left. Then an S-curve up. Now a curve over to the left. and then a bent line down on the end. Draw the top of the hand now with a curved zigzag line across on an angle like this. Now draw 3 fingers under. And then add curved lines across each finger for the glove. Let's draw the spray can in his hand next. Draw the sides of the can with diagonal lines down on either side of his hand like this. Then connect the lines at the bottom. And now a curved line at the top. Next, add another curve inside the top of the can. And lastly, add the nozzle with a rectangle shape at the top. Next, let's add one curve under the can here for the thumb. Let's draw the left leg and shoe next. Draw a point out on the left next to the arm. Now under the top of the can, draw an S-curve down on an angle for the side of the pants. Then move over to the bottom of the spray can on the left and draw a small diagonal line. And then a long curve over to the right. And then close off the pant leg like this. Lastly, add a curve inside the pants here. Let's draw the shoe next. Draw a short line and then a curve down on the right. Then the top of the shoe out to the left. Then halfway down the right side, draw a curve across to close off the shape of the shoe. And then add the sole of the shoe under, following the same curve as above. Lastly, add the details inside the shoe. Draw 2 U-curves for the laces. And then a pointed shape on the right here like this. Let's draw the other leg now. On the right, draw a curve on an angle for the top of the knee. Then diagonal lines down on either side like this. At the bottom of each line now, draw some curves across. And then angle each side in. Now draw a curve at the bottom for the top of the shoe. And then another curve under to close it off. Now add the sole of the shoe under like this. And lastly, draw the laces with a curved shape in the top of the shoe. Let's finish drawing the right arm now. Draw a curve under the right side of the hood. Then on the left, draw a line down to the knee. And then for the right, curve it down and back into the leg. Let's draw the backpack next. Draw an angled rectangle shape on the right here. and then one more smaller one on the top right. Then add the details inside the backpack like this. Let's draw the right hand now next to the leg. Draw a bent line out to the left from the top of the knee. Then a rectangle shape below it on an angle. Now the hand with 3 fingers below. And add curved lines across for the fingers of the glove. Next, draw a curve across from the left leg to the right hand for the bottom of the body. Now from under the chin, draw a zigzag line down to the spray can. And then lastly, a V shape across the bottom of the body. And that's it for soft Pico. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.